Hi, this is Dr. Philip Cordova with Core Chiropractic in Houston, Texas. Today I'm going to answer a question that's asked all the time in our office, and that is, how long do I have to come? Or why can't this be fixed all in one visit? So the thing about chiropractic that's different than just say like taking a drug is that it's really a process. It's very similar to like putting braces on the teeth, right? You wouldn't put braces on your teeth and then put them on and then the next day expect that your teeth would be straight. Or let's say you go to the gym and lift a bunch of weights and then expect that the next day you would be huge and be like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Chiropractic is a process. That means that the vertebrae are used to being out of alignment. We do an adjustment which helps bring them back closer to the right alignment, but then the muscles that are used to holding them back here will slowly start to pull those vertebrae right back out of place again. So generally what we do is a series of adjustments. That means we do an adjustment, the muscle starts to pull it back, we adjust it again, and over the course of a few days, a few weeks, in some cases a few months, the vertebrae will learn how to stay into that right position and people will start to get the results that they're after. So why can't we fix you all in one visit? It's just not how chiropractic works, and it's important to us that you do get that right result.